So you just gonna act like you didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
That video you just watched was created using AI. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I made these videos step by step. So this might be a little long video, I'm gonna warn you now, but you want to watch this because this is how people are making AI videos for TikTok. So let's get into it. How to make AI videos using VO3. What's going on, guys? As I promised, what I was telling y'all on TikTok, that I was going to show y'all how to make these AI videos. Shout out to everybody that already follow me on TikTok, because that's where I post a lot of my videos at. And shout out to the people that follow me on YouTube as well. All right. So this is how you guys make these AI videos. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, and I'm doing all of this from my iPhone, guys. So go to Google and you're going to type in Flow AI. I'm just going to type in Flow though, just to so once I type in Flow, it's a website right here called labs.google. And it's pretty much Flow. You're going to click on Flow. All right, when you click on Flow, you're going to get to Flow's home screen. You're going to click on Create with Flow. All right, once you hit Create with Flow, so if you get on Flow and you haven't signed in with your Gmail or signed in, you need to sign in first. I forgot to tell y'all that. So go right there, sign in. It's going to be a thing that lets you sign in with your Gmail or your email or whatever. Go ahead and use that and just sign up for Flow. All right, now I'm going to tell y'all how to get the a free membership with them for at least a month. What you're going to do is when you get on Flow, you're going to go right here to where it says subscribe. You click on subscribe. All right, once you click on subscribe, as you can see, they're giving you 1 month for free. So it says for 1 month you will pay $0. All right, so you're gonna get this. It's called Google AI Pro. That's what you need. And if you read this here, it says they will give you 1,000 monthly AI credits. All right, that's important because the credits is what's going to help you generate the videos. If you run out of credits, you're not going to be able to generate more videos. So you might have to buy more credit as you go. All right, now it says here, Gemini app, get more access to our most capable blah blah blah. You can use Gemini to make these AI videos, or you can use what we're using right now, which is Flow. All right, we're gonna be making our video on Flow. So go to get Google AI Pro for $0 because they're giving you a discount where you can get it for free for a month. All right, it says here add a payment method. You're gonna add you a payment method. All right, so right now I'm about to make a VO3 prompt. I'm going to put it inside of Flow AI here, VO3. I'm going to leave my settings where they are right now. So for example, go with my phone. So I'm gonna leave the settings where they are right now. So I'm gonna leave it at 4. All right, 4 outputs per prompt, and I'm gonna leave that on VO3 fast, right? And matter of fact, I'm gonna save myself time because I already pre-made a prompt. So again, I got it set on VO3 fast text to video. I have a text to video over there. All right, and I got my prompt right here. I just created this one. This is a whole different one. So I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna copy. This is a whole different one. It's about a girl and her friend arguing about a boyfriend. Okay, a boy that they both like. All right, so I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna put it in here. In VO3. All right, and then I am going to create. This time I chose 2 videos instead of 4 just to save even more credits. Because again, you got to keep in mind, you only have 1,000 credits. All right, if you run out of credits, then you're going to have to buy more credits in order to make more, in order to generate more AI videos. So they're generating the videos right now, and we're just going to give that some more time. All right, and notice the difference because I added more detail into this prompt. Notice the difference from the one where the gorilla was just, hold on, what did it say? Flow is temporarily unavailable. Sometimes that happens. Say it's temporarily unavailable. All you're gonna do is put your prompt in again and try it again. Paste and just try it again. If it's temporarily unavailable, okay, here go our video. We got the two girls. All right, these are similar to the videos that you guys see on TikTok all the time, so it's nothing new. Like, I know you guys see these type of videos on TikTok all the time. So let me play it.
So you just gonna act like you didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
So you just gonna
You see
act
that?
like you didn't know?
Y'all see that? Oh, that's pretty dope, ain't it? Exactly. All right. So these are the videos that you guys be seeing on TikTok, man. I just showed you guys how to do it step by step. Like, the least you guys can do is give me a follow. You feel me? Yeah. So, you know, follow me, man. Also follow me on YouTube. I'm still thinking of a name for my channel and stuff. So again, the best thing you can do if you want me to keep teaching y'all this stuff is to follow me here on TikTok, and we'll transition over to YouTube as well. All right, here go another video. Let's watch the second one. And as y'all can see, the sound works now because I made sure I did everything right. So I'm gonna click the
So you
second
just gonna
one.
act like you didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
So you just gonna act like you didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
All right, I'm glad it did that. Y'all won't. So I'm glad it made that mistake. Did y'all guys catch the mistake that was made in this video? So the girl was talking, but the dialogue was off, right? And that's why it's important to generate four variations of the video instead of 2, all right? So that you can pick which one is the best. This is the same prompt, guys. The only difference is they changed the variation of the videos because I told them to generate 2 videos. If I would have told them to generate 4 videos, they would have gave me 4 different videos of that prompt, and I can pick which one I think is the best. So in this opinion, where I only have 2, I mean, in this scenario, I'm going to go ahead and choose the first one because I think the first one is better than the second one. You see what I'm saying? And all I do is download it, and I put it into a editing software like CapCut or something like that. And I just edit the video and then post it to TikTok or post it to wherever you want to post it, you know? So check this out.
You didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
So you just gonna act like you didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
So you just gonna
All right, so look, it created my prompt exactly how I wanted them to create it. I said, put these 2 girls in Walmart. As you can see, they're in Walmart. I said, you know, they're arguing over a boy that they want. All right. And as you can see, they created them arguing over a boy that they both want. So let's play it
You
again.
didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
So you just gonna act like you didn't know I was into him? You saw us at the party.
You were into 5 dudes that night. Don't act brand new now.
So you just gonna act like
in this scenario, it looked like this is the girl that got the boy. You know, she must have got the boyfriend because this one is like, you act like you didn't see me. You know, you act like you didn't know I was into him or whatever. She's like, girl, I seen you with 5 dudes. Don't act brand new. Like you was talking to all kind of different dudes at that party. And that's what I wanted. So it created exactly what I asked AI to create. All right. So there you guys have it. I will be uploading more videos soon. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow me here on TikTok, guys. You don't want to miss out, because when I tell you people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this stuff, guys, you want to be a part of that. Don't get left behind because you know you was too good to learn about AI. All right. So I'm gonna ask you guys for a small favor. Go ahead and follow, hit the thumbs up, and I need you guys to do every last one of these things, right? So hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. All right, I don't care what you say in the comment section. You can ask a question. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. After you leave it in the comment, you leave a comment, click on the save this video button. It's right underneath the comment section. You want to click that button as well so that you can save this video for later.